Hi guys! I decided to create videos of my daily devotion, share my observations about reading the Bible. Dati kasi hindi ko naman naiintindihan ng Bible. Actually, until today, minsan di ko pa din agad na-absorb. Little by little, and with the help of my D group, na-enlighten ako. Paano ba tayo matutulungan? Well, siguro yung ibang books like Proverbs, obvious at talagang nakastate doon ang mga dapat at hindi dapat gawin. But how about the other sections? Pero dahil sabi sa church, the Bible is full of wisdom at doon mo makikilala si God, at gusto kong maunawaan noon how can someone's faith grow so deep by reading it. Pinaglaanan ko ito ng panahon talaga. Time spent with God is never wasted. At sa totoo lang, nakakaginhawa talaga siya ng pakiramdam. So I hope you can join me.